In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a job request using the desktop module. First, select job requests on the left, and you'll be shown a list of all active job requests. Now, select Add from the top menu. You will be shown a blank form which you can populate with the information about this job request. We'll start on the left, so choose an originator from the drop-down menu. So I'm going to choose myself. And if you wish to keep this person informed about the job request and its progress, you can tick this box below, and if not, just leave it blank. Now we're going to select a site. So we'll go for the main site, a building, and a space. If the space contains a risk, then this box down here will automatically tick itself, which means that the operative has to tick the risk acknowledged box to show that they are aware of the risk. This is automatically generated by the system. In the inspection reference field, this will then display the risk that is in the space. Now you need to put in the information about the fault. So we will put in here broken boiler. So then input the job type, so I'm going to go for heating and cooling, the subtype, which is boilers, and what the problem actually is, so that it's not working. When you click on action required, the text box will expand and allow you to input more information about the job so the estates team know what they're dealing with. So we'll put here, boiler not connected properly. So now we can decide which operative we will assign this job request to. Using the referred to drop-down menu, we can select an operative. So for this time, we're going to refer it to Steve Operative. And if you wish for them to be allowed into the space unaccompanied, you can tick this box here. So they're only going into the boiler room, so that's fine. But if not, if it's a more sensitive space, you should leave this box blank to make sure they are accompanied when they go there. If there are any risks associated with completing this job request, they can find the necessary documentation for the risk in the RAMS menu here. So click on this button to see a list of risks. You can select as many of these as needed. So we'll go for working at height with some steps. And they will appear on the job request page. So now we need to select a priority for this job request. If it's urgent, we can set it to urgent, but if it's not so urgent, you have the option of 21 days. If you wish to associate another job request with this one, you can do this by pressing the Add button under Related Calls, which will allow you to select another job request and link the two together. You can add notes to the diary, which will allow you to enter some notes about the job. Please click step install beforehand. And then remember to click Save when you've entered your text. You can also create associated works order with this job request using the final Add button here. If you wish to learn more about creating a works order, you can find our other video on this topic. When you have finished creating the job request, make sure to press Save to complete the form and it will be added to the system. So now we can see that having added that, here it is.